I am here to present this topic, flexible manufacturing system. I think everyone know what is the meaning of flexible. Flexible means it is applicable for all type of system. As the variety of product is changed, our system is applicable for all types of product. FMS means it is a system which is used to consist the processing operations with the help of automatic matter handling system and storage system and computer control system. the objective of this the objective of this system is to use the available resources. Use the available resources. Second, to use the proper skills of operators, proper skills of technical staffs or non-technical staff. Third, 24 hours time utilization. Fourth objective, minimum number of inventory are required. Fifth objective of this system is proper utilization of floor space. Application of this system is for minimum production and minimum variety of product. I think this diagram is very helpful to all. Taking the variety along y-axis and volume of product along x-axis. Now, first indicate the job production and second indicate the FMS, flexible manufacturing system, and third indicate the mass production. It means FMS comes in job production and mass production. The volume of FMS is in between job production and mass production, and also variety of FMS comes in between job production and mass production. That's why this system is used for minimum production, used for batch production with better quality of product. The next disadvantage of FMS. Disadvantage of FMS is first, initial cost should be high, and second, it is independent. It is independent on low class labor. Automatic system is also helpful for FMS. Automatic system like AGVS, second AS system, third retrieval system, and fourth is robotics. These systems are also helpful for FMS, flexible manufacturing system. AGVS means automated guided vehicle system, and AS means automatic storage system, and third RS means automatic retrieval system, and fourth is robotics. The function of robotics is to transfer the material from one machine to second machine. That's it.